Hi guys, I welcome you back to Digital Assets. In our last previous video, we talked about how to register on Sweatcoin and what is the difference between Sweat and Sweatcoin. Now in this video, we'll be talking about how to earn more on Sweat. So the first thing to earn, if you want to earn more on Sweat app is the first one is you invite. So right now they are doing something which means as you can see here, the road promo ends in 9 days. So this one is not there before. They just included this for some weeks ago, because normally if you invite people, so the invite, normally if you invite people, they will just give you only 5 sweats for inviting people, but right now they will give you 5 sweats and also $2. So if you register, they will give you 5 sweats. So and if you also refer, they will also give you another extra $2. So that is 5 sweats and $2 if you invite 5 people. So 5 people is for $2. Now another way to earn more, if you want to boost your step, so you can also boost your steps by open 2x. It will only last for 20 minutes. So which means if you took one step, the one step in normal mode, it will be one step, but if you use open booster times 2, so the one step can be in 2 or 3 steps. So that's it. And this, let me tell you, this daily 2x boost is for some weeks. So after that some weeks, it will not work for you anymore. So for me right now, it's not working for me anymore because I've already used it long time ago. So it didn't work for me anymore. So it will just keep rolling without anything. So that's another way to earn on Sweatcoin. Now another way to earn, as you can see, if you invite a friend, get 5 sweats. So that's what I said previously. So if you invite, you get 5 sweats and $2 for 5 inviters. Now another one is by watching advertisement. So as you can see here, they mark everything here. So and I had 3.2 for watching advertisement. So they are giving free stuff to people that is watching advertisement. So you'll be given sweat if you watch advertisement. So if you want to watch advertisement, maybe I will do video tomorrow if I have not watched my own, so that we tell you on how to do it. But it's not that hard. So once you come to this side, so you just click on claim coin. So once you tap on that claim or something like that, so they will just show advertisement. So you have to relax for the advertisement for like 15 to 30 seconds, so to display finish. So once it is display finish, then you will be given sweat. So you will watch it 3 advertisements per day. After that 3 advertisements, so they will add it to your wallet. And not only that, if you see here, they tick everything as mark. So they tick everything as mark. So they say claim daily rewards in the next 7 days and earn an entry to prize draw each day. One lucky winner will get a $300 Nike gift card. So they did this thing in order to boost sweat. So in order not to make sweat boring, so they make it to be more lively. So that's why they introduce all these things. So that is another cool way to earn. So let's assume if you watch advertisement for like 7 days without missing anything, so you'll be given $300 gift card, Nike gift card. And in the next week, now this is for the week on, in the next week, so they will still introduce another thing that is different from Nike gift card. So that's how they did their thing. So last week they did Amazon own, but I didn't win that one. So this one is Nike own. Next one, I don't know what it will be in the next one. Now another way to earn is by, and you can also use your sweat coin to purchase something in the marketplace. So as you can see here, $20 Nike gift card for 400 sweats, but it has been sold out. And make sure that if you want to purchase something on their marketplace, make sure that you are more lively, you are more online, because lot of people are making use of this thing. So lot of people are making use of this thing, and they also give percent if you want to buy something. As you can see, I get 3% off Rave Sound Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbud by Rave Sound. So I already purchased the offer. I already purchased this offer with 5 sweat. So they will ship it to your address. So as you can see, that's they also have $50 Amazon gift card, but it has been out of stock. So if you want to enjoy this app, make sure that if you have the money, you can switch to premium to enjoy more quality marketplace. But if you don't want to spend money, so you can also use free mode to earn. So, and another way to earn on Sweatcoin is by joining their monthly challenges. Now the monthly challenges is 250k per month. So which means if you work 250k per month, the reason why I didn't get chance to win, to get 250k steps, is that I didn't even know, I didn't even know that they are doing this thing. So I just check it out and see that, oh, I don't even know that they are doing this kind of thing. So I should have complete these steps. So but in the next one, which is December, if they introduce another one, so I will also join. As well, because if you join and you win, so you will get 25 sweat, and you also get what to do. Complete the race. At the end of the race, we will pick 2 lucky winners at random. If you have been selected, you find the receipt in your wallet. Follow the link. 2 lucky people will win a $250 Amazon voucher. So, and people are really winning it. People are winning, and you can also check people that have already completed their own, or people that joined recently. So you can also check everything there. And I think that's the 2 ways to earn. And you can join the premium, as I said in the previous video. So you can join the premium if you want to, and if you don't want to, you can be using free mode as well. So but premium users will get more benefits than free users. So that's it. So that is for the Sweat wallet app itself. That is for the Sweat app itself. Now in my next video, I'll be talking about the Sweat wallet as well. You can also earn on Sweat wallet. So you can also earn on Sweat wallet. So if you want to earn on Sweat wallet, I will tell you in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you invite others as well, for them to see this video and let their work pay for them. So this is Web3 era. So in Web3, we'll be seeing different things. So you'll be earning different money by doing different tasks. Make sure that you invite others, subscribe, and don't forget to like and video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.